Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making stir-fried shredded potato. Let's get right to it. Peel and julienne the potatoes. Soak them in fresh cold water a couple of times until you can soak them and the water is somewhat clear. Set aside for later use. Slice scallions, garlics, and long pepper pepper. Julienne green and red bell peppers. Bring a pot of water to boil and then add shredded potatoes. Fish out after 1 minute. Heat oil in a wok over medium heat and add scallion, garlic, and longhorn pepper. Stir until fragrant. Then add green and red bell pepper shreds. Stir for 30 seconds and adding potatoes. Stir for 2 minutes and add salt and rice vinegar. Then stir for another 2 minutes. Serve immediately and then stir-fried shredded potato is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.